all, in this video we are going to be looking at the difference between sometime as two words, sometime as one word, and sometimes with the s in the back. So what's the difference between all these three words? The words might be similar to each other, but the difference is very huge. So without any further ado, in this video, let's see about the difference between these three words. So let's get started. Firstly, let's see what sometime is. Sometime as two words. Sometime is the long period of time which is taken to do a task. It took me some time to clean the garage, which is not like 5 minutes or 10 minutes. It's like 2 hours or 3 hours or something like that. So when it takes a long duration of time, we can call that sometime as two words. And now let's see sometime as one word. Okay guys, this is used as an adverb of time. This is actually used to point out a specific task which we'll do in that certain period of time. Maybe like I'll meet him sometime in the evening, or we'll catch up to drink coffee sometime in the night, or something like that. It's not like specified, it's night. It might be 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, it might be anything. But we have mentioned it as night. But we didn't say the exact time which we are going to drink coffee or which we are going to meet. But the thing here is that if you want to say something specified yet unspecified, you can use a word soon. Let's drink coffee sometime soon. But when we say let's drink coffee sometime, it might be tomorrow, it might be later in that day, or it might be also next year. But when it is mentioned as sometime soon or the near future. So now let's see the remaining one, sometimes, which we use frequently. And this is used for the frequency of a task being done. So sometimes. I meet him sometimes in the morning when I catch my bus. So these are all the difference between the words sometime as two words, sometime as one word, and sometimes as one word with a S in the back. So see you all tomorrow in a new video. Until then, tada, bye bye, see you all. Bye bye, see you later. Bye.